So in 18 years of handling personal injury claims here in the state of Florida, first as a claims adjuster, now as an attorney, the main question that we get is how long is it going to take to get my personal injury settlement claim done? And the answer to that is it really just depends. In the state of Florida, you have to have what's called a permanent injury in order to recover for pain and suffering. Now, in order to determine that, it's going to take the doctor some time to treat your injuries. Typically, that can take anywhere from 4 to 6 months. Could take longer, depending upon the extent of your injuries, also how you respond to the therapy and the care. Now, if you don't have a permanent injury as documented by a doctor, you can also make a claim for scarring or disfigurement, and obviously death can result in a personal injury settlement for pain and suffering. Now, if you have none of those, you can also recover damages for out-of-pocket medical expenses and pursue those damages through the insurance company. So, once you're diagnosed with a permanent injury, or you meet one of those other criteria, it typically takes about 1 to 2 months to negotiate a settlement with the insurance company. Now, if you're unable to negotiate that settlement directly with the insurance company, you may have to file a lawsuit. Now, if you file a lawsuit, all bets are off. It could take a year, and it could take 7 years. We had a case that settled within 5 days because the injuries were so severe and the limits for the insurance company were so small that they knew that they had to tender the policy limits. We also had a case that took over 7 years to settle because we were dealing with multiple injuries and multiple defendants. And when you have multiple defendants, you also have multiple defense attorneys, scheduling conflicts, scheduling multiple depositions, all the doctors that have to be deposed in order to prove the injuries of your client, unfortunately just takes time. So in order to get a personal injury settlement check really depends upon your injuries and the details that go into your case. So if you have questions about your case, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at Goldman Daszkal at 954-428-9333. Thank you.